Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 1st to the 13th. This is what we're expecting for January 1st to the 5th. Miles are pretty good agreement. We have a large area of positive height anomalies and a ridge over this area, and we have a trough over eastern Canada to the southwest, and an area above normal heights across the southeast. We're going to go to the end of the period, and we're having trouble, little technical difficulties. All right, we're at the 4th, and there's a little change in the overall pattern. The a broad closed low over the southwest forecast to gradually track east across southern Rockies and the plains late in the week, and then lift northeastward late next week. Following this system, the flow will return to ridge over eastern Pacific and a broad trough over across the nation. Cold and snow in the southwest will diminish as the closed low slowly tracks eastward, and temperatures will gradually moderate. A cold front dropping down from Canada will bring a fresh surge of Arctic air and late snows to much of the northern U.S. Models are indicating widespread precipitation with a surface low and a frontal boundary from the western Gulf into the mid-Atlantic states this weekend. Looking now at the period for January 4th to the 8th. And the models are showing very little change. We're going to go to the 8th, to the end of the period. Okay, this is the 8th, and the models are still hanging on to this trough or area above normal heights closed low over eastern Canada, but below normal heights here. But most of the models still showing broad area of above normal heights from the Bering Sea into the west and across southern U.S. That's the GFS. The GFS ensembles. We don't have a lot of models. The European ensembles. Here's the Canadian ensembles. Now here's the GFS anomalies, and we're forecasting the same thing, generally above normal heights across this region, below normal heights here. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and below normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation for this region. Next is the period for January 9th to the 13th. Okay, here we are at the 9th, and I gotta get, again, we're having technical difficulties with the models. They're not showing up. Okay, this is for January 10th. Models are still holding on to a little change in circulation, still holding on to this positive height anomalies and the negative height anomalies. And now we're going to look at the European deterministics. Has above normal heights across much of the nation, with a zone of flow in the east. So are the other models, and these are the ensemble means anomalies. And now I'm looking at the GEF control. This is a control run, and it's showing below normal heights here and above normal heights across this area, which is pretty much what the other models are showing. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here and above normal temperatures for this region. And for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here and for this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for January 1st to the 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.